Tutorial how Toto the Wednesday dance. First, get a mannequin and do what I do. Oh, hello, Sailor Moon. Copy the mannequin that you got. Oh, hello, party dress. Copy how I did to copy the mannequin. Take of the name tag. Take of the arms and hands. Take this pose. Take off the shadow and hide the other parts of the body. Take this pose. Take this pose for the hand. Hug pose. This too. Repeat what you did earlier. Go to studio. Watch closely. Put the background white. Screenshot and do this. Next, go to Ibis Paint. Do this. Copy the second layer. Next, do this. Blur IT. Save it. And do IT again and again. Go to CapCut. Do this.